desires, my heart overflows. The only direction that Hey guys, Chelsea Kush here. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't judge me on my room. It is like the worst it's been in so freaking long. We were on vacation unexpectedly for like 2 weeks and it was a mess before we left, and it's just like a hot mess. So what I started doing was just taking all the clothes that's on the floor and just piling it up on the bed. Those are a bunch of donations and stuff I need to sell, which I've been too lazy to do it. And this rental house is like pretty old, so there's not a lot of space in the master bedroom. The closet is like tiny, so that's why we literally had 2 master closets at our old house, and we had to merge into one tiny little closet for both of us. So we have no space, but I've just been utilizing like under my bed. I need to organize it, but that's just where we've been putting everything. Searching for the answer to our trials. We came so far through our weakness. We found a love, even the stars between us won't bury us. Okay, real quick, I got like the cutest bodysuit from Abercrombie, and I literally got the t-shirt in black and white, and I got long sleeve in like black and white, and they're super good material. They're kind of thick and they're just like the perfect shirt. So check out abercrombie.com. I haven't shopped there since high school, but they've really stepped their game up. They have super soft sweats. I got like a sweatsuit all from Cyber Monday. Definitely check it out because they have really good stuff. I had an empty drawer on my bedside table, so what I did was I just folded all my sweaters, like I think it's the KonMari method of folding sweaters, and they all fit in there perfectly and organized, and you can see them. So if you haven't checked that out, like look into her way of folding. It's amazing if you don't have any space. So that's what I've been doing to utilize like the tiniest little areas I have in my house to put my clothes. We found love in separate ways. Heartbreak is a wonderful So this is where I've been putting all my sweatshirts because they're super bulky and there's literally no room in my closet for them. So I'm folding them and just stacking them in this little like cupboard in our dresser, and it works out pretty good. I have some of Brandon's like pants on the top, but it's like the perfect little spot. Now I'm just going to add some oil to my diffuser for my room. I love diffusing oils, they smell amazing. So this is the Breathe Again, and it has different types of eucalyptus. It's super refreshing. I guess I need to get a bigger oil shelf because it's filling up pretty quickly, and honestly I use most of these like every day or week. I use all my CBD products every day, like that muscle rub that's sitting on there and the CBD oil. It's amazing. I'm obsessed with it. So yeah, it gets like a hot mess because there's just so many and I use them. So I think I need to upgrade to a bigger shelf. It's super important to keep a bag like near your door or your closet for all your clothes that you don't want, like a shirt that you don't like that doesn't fit that well anymore. Just throw it in the bag, and at the end of the month you can just drop it off at a donation. It just makes it really easy so you don't have clothes like sitting in your closet that you hate. Now I'm just cleaning the surfaces with my favorite natural cleaner. It smells like cinnamon. It's made with essential oil, so it's 100% like plant-based, safe for kids and pets, and I love the smell of it, and it's also really good for your immune system. I kind of made the switch to natural cleaners when my daughter was having like allergic reactions to some of our cleaners, so I made the switch and I'm really happy I did. So this glass cleaner is like a DIY glass cleaner using the same natural cleaner I was using before, but I made it and it's really good for like spotless cleaning for windows and mirrors. Yeah, it works really good. Blocked your number. It's hard to tell you no. Alright, you guys, we're finally done. We got everything cleaned, minus my shoes in my closet, but that's another story and going to be another video. It feels so nice just to walk in and not have piles of freaking clothes everywhere and organized and clean. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cleaning videos and organizational videos for people who are like me, who are super unorganized and very messy. That's just how I am, and I know there's people out there like me, so subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll see you next week with another video.